Hey everybody.
Hello.
So today is Memorial Day and we decided to hang out outside, make a fire, and we're gonna grill some burgers on the Blackstone.
Smash burgers.
Smash burgers.
Ooh.
Yeah, I'm excited.
What else?
I made some barbecued baked beans and we're gonna have some french fries in the air fryer.
Ooh,
yeah.
I'm excited.
The boys are excited to be outside.
I've already started a fire.
There's a lot of bugs though. There's bugs.
Yeah.
Bugs on bugs.
They're just little tiny ones.
Yeah. We're hoping the fire will help deter them a little bit. We did put on bug spray. It's not really, it's not really doing much, but we're gonna try to have a good time. It's definitely warm out tonight, so.
I know, my friend I sent a Snapchat of the fire in the mountains. My friend goes, is it cold? I'm like, no, we just love fire. Like, we live in an RV.
Yeah, it
we
helps
make
with
fires.
The bugs. It's part of our life,
Yeah, exactly.
RV life, you have a fire every night, doesn't matter what the temperature is.
I love to play with fire.
Yeah, Kim is
This is
definitely...
Look, I'm squeezing your head.
She's a little bit of a pyro, for sure.
Alright.
There's a theme.
Let's go eat some burgers.
Yeah, well you gotta get the Blackstone ready for me.
Okay.
Thanks. We are Kim and Erin, and this is Zach and Cody. We are best friends living and traveling full-time in our renovated RV, Lucy. We have been on the road since October 2020, so please subscribe to join in on all the fun.
RVTV, K&E RVTV, sing it with us.
RVTV.
I got myself a glorious fire started here with our glorious view. The weekend was a little busier today, being actual Memorial Day. A lot of people have left already. But we're gonna hang out and hopefully have some yummy food. What you doing in there?
I am prepping some stuff
Oh yeah?
to make some food because I'm hungry.
Me too.
Huh?
Me too.
Well, good. What are you doing out here?
Well, we shouldn't be letting the bugs.
Yeah, well, I don't know why you're holding the door open like this, so. That's
Bye.
on you.
Bye.
There's a lot of bugs today.
Yeah, I tried to start the fire in hopes that they would go away. We put on some bug spray. They're just like little tiny things. You can't, you won't even be, yeah, they're kind of like.
Annoying. They were flying in my ears and driving me nuts.
Yeah, it's not the most fun, but hoping the fire, and I think like the time of day is when they come out too, so hopefully once it gets a little darker, they will go away. But it's a beautiful night. So we were gonna make a fire in our new fire ring that our RV park has provided all the sites here, but honestly I like my fire pit better, and it's like so much higher, so how elevated it is, so it literally just makes like tending to it so much easier than bending over all the way to the ground, because yeah, bending over is not the most fun when you're old, right Erin?
Yes.
What you doing?
Cleaning the Blackstone.
Ooh, what's going on first?
Mushrooms and onions.
Mushrooms and onions. So I do have a American flag tank top that I like to wear for the patriotic holidays, and Erin didn't do my laundry.
How dare I?
So yeah, we are not very festive. I try to still wear kind of red and blue, whatever.
Got some mushroom and onions.
Ooh.
I just marinated them. It's white mushrooms and sweet onion. I just marinated a little Worcestershire sauce and some Italian dressing.
Listen to that sizzle. We just had a nice neighbor come over and talk to us, and he was talking to us about our homemade stabilizers that we have underneath of Lucy that my amazing father made for us, and they make all the difference in the world. There's one here in the front, there's also a set in the back with like ratchet straps connected in between, and they help with the shaking of the RV a lot. Right Erin?
Yeah, it's like night and day.
One of the things in my RV life research that I did for a couple years before we started this life, no one really talked about how much RVs shake when you're on the inside and walking around, and when you're trying to go to sleep and someone else is walking around. It really rocks, like a lot.
Living full time like we do.
Yeah.
You know, we're in it all the time. A lot of times people, weekend warriors, are not in it all day.
They deal with it for a couple days and it's fine.
And they're usually out doing things, and we're in it like, you know,
all
we're
the time.
not out, we're in it all the time. So it does shake, especially we're larger people. So it definitely moves more.
Yeah.
The stabilizers that Dad made are like, literally like.
Amazing.
But yeah, 9 day.
Best fire starter in the world. toilet paper rolls and paper towel rolls.
For sure.
Like,
and my favorite, actually.
oh yeah, a lot of people make fun of you. Tortilla strips.
They work amazing.
Seriously.
Kim didn't even have any. She always likes to have random twigs and sticks to start any fire. She didn't have them. I was like, just use the tortilla chips. And guess what worked? The tortilla chips.
Yeah, well this firewood that I got was smaller pieces. The last couple bundles we got when we were not here were like really big pieces of wood, so they were hard to light on fire. So you need a lot of smaller twigs and stuff like that. But
really get it going.
This smells so good. So excited. It smells amazing.
Yeah, I'm about to put some butter on it.
Ooh, throw some fat on that, girl.
So cold.
Ah.
So I've been covered the onions and mushrooms for a few minutes just to like let them sweat down a little more.
Mm.
And now I'm gonna add a little brown sugar.
Brown sugar? Okay.
I want to sweeten them up a little more. I like that sweet tea versus the salty, you know, smash burger. I think it'll be yummy. So I took the mushroom and onions off. I'm gonna leave all that yummy goodness left over, bits from that. Just add a little more avocado oil. And I have my smash burgers already prepped. I seasoned them, rolled them up in little balls. I did this yesterday. So then we're gonna throw them on here. And I have my wonderful weights.
Ooh.
Smash them down, throw some cheese on them, and eat them on brioche buns. So I'm pretty excited.
Okay.
With the mushroom and onions.
Shut your mouth.
Ooh,
Take a bait.
He hasn't been listening.
He's been misbehaving. I put him inside and he can't handle being away from us. He's gonna have a heart attack. But there's a lot of dogs around, and every time there's a dog, he wants to go run after it, and he's attached to the lead, and it's not good.
I'm dropping balls over here.
Dropping
Ball
balls.
dropping. Here we go.
Smush. I'm hitting Mickey right now.
Oh, I forgot my wax paper.
Okay, Erin's supposed to put the wax paper first and then smush it. You smushed it. Wax are on it. Oh, okay. I mean,
Move this guy over a
it
little
doesn't
bit.
look much different. Yay!
Greasy grease.
Oh yeah. Alright, it's been just a couple minutes. It don't take that long.
I like to get a nice little crispy, crisp. Yeah. We lost the like a little part of this guy. It's okay. We'll throw cheese them on them, put them back together. Don't worry.
It smells so
The
good.
grease is my favorite.
It's cheese time.
You can't have smash burgers without American cheese.
You have to have American cheese?
to.
You think so?
Because it melts right. It gets that grease is just like together. They just make a beautiful couple.
It's kind of like Five Guys burgers.
That's what I'm going for a little bit.
Yeah?
Or Culver's. If anybody knows what Culver's is, they're my favorite fast food chain. They have smash burgers like this,
Butter
yummy cheese sauce,
burgers.
fried cheese curds. They have
Milkshake.
Yeah, made out of like custard or something. So good. If you have a Culver's and you haven't tried it, do it.
Woo.
Okay, we're getting ready. Where are we gonna eat?
Inside.
Okay, hot mess in there.
Away from the bugs.
Kim is getting her plate set up. We got brioche buns. I toasted them a little bit, and those are some frozen Fridays or Checkers fries. I'm sorry, Checkers fries. Checkers or Hardee's fries. I made them in the air fryer. There's a burger, mushroom and onions. Yeah, and just a mayo, right? That's all you're about.
I'm a plain Jane. Right over there?
I think I have my allergies or my eyes are nuts. I've used eye drops all day. They're so itchy. But anyway, so I'm excited about dinner.
Ooh.
I'm telling you, these are the best fries to like make at home.
So
The Checkers
good.
fries. They're
Checkers
seasoned
fries.
well. They always come out crispy. They're really good.
Look at this.
Your burger looks awesome.
Look at those beans.
What did you do again? Just cheese, mushrooms, onion, mayo?
Yes. Oh, yes. Queen. So good.
And then I did mayo, ketchup, tomato,
Yeah.
mustard.
What'd you put in the
mushroom and
beans?
onions. I actually used pork and beans, and then I added barbecue sauce and some seasoning and some brown sugar.
Alright, dig in. I like mine on my plate. I like to dip my burger in them.
Yeah, I'm completely separate.
Mm-hmm.
We're so opposite in so many ways.
That's what makes this work, right?
They're hearty.
Hearty?
A little spicy.
Ooh, what spice did you put in there?
Barbecue seasoning.
Alright,
Yeah, you can handle it.
eat that burger.
Alright, French fry. Hold on. It's crunchy. Okay, this is gonna be so messy, so get ready to make fun of me.
I hope you have a napkin.
I do. They're hiding.
What do you guys think of Erin always having food on her?
It's really, really good.
You like it?
Mm-hmm.
Does it taste like fried rice?
Tell me. Excited?
I'm gonna dip it.
Mine was so good. Yeah, she dips it. Bean dipper. Don't joke. But yeah, these fries are so crispy. Like, yes. Yeah. What do you think?
Very delicious. The bread's good too.
The bread, I feel like the bread is like what it's about. It's like brioche is like the highest fat content bread, but it's so good for a reason. But yeah, the beans came out good. Do you like them? Did you try them yet? I don't know if they're too spicy for you. Right? They're like good spicy. Yum. Okay, I'm gonna eat my food now. Bye.
Are you a happy camper over there?
My second burger.
Can I help you? He's always around. What did you say? That's your second burger? I can't believe you just admitted that to the people. I can barely eat one.
So good. And the tomato's actually good. I'm picky. And the tomato I bought was really good.
So we're just watching TV and guess what commercial comes on? A commercial for the new Guardians of the Galaxy roller coaster at Epcot that just came out right after we were there for 6 months, and now it's open. And they just like shoved that commercial in our face like that while we're in Tennessee, so far away from Disney.
Sure did.
I don't really miss Disney, to be honest.
I do.
I know, but it was just too busy. If I could just go and ride the rides I want to ride and eat the food I want to eat and then leave, it'd be great. But then there's just the people factor.
Dang humans.
Ooh, we got some good lighting. Okay, so it's a little bit later in the night.
Yes, we enjoyed our dinner.
Tonight is the meteor shower. So it's almost 1 o'clock in the morning.
Yeah.
We drank coffee. Not that we're not usually up this late.
Yeah, but we actually caught a couple of them, so it's pretty cool. We tried to film something, but you can't see anything. But it is pretty cool.
Yeah, there's not a lot of light pollution here. So, and tonight's a pretty clear night here in Sevierville, Tennessee. So it's pretty cool.
And it's weird because there's no moon.
Yeah, there's no moon. Some other RVers all have their chairs out in the lawn looking up at the meteor shower, so it's pretty cool.
Yeah.
All right, let's look for some more.
Okay. All right, so we got really lucky. We got to see quite a few.
Yeah, it was really cool.
In the shower, it was really cool. I'm glad we stayed up. We planned it. We had coffee. I kept telling Kim, you got to make it till 1 o'clock in the morning.
Yeah, but we saw a lot of like short, like little ones that were like, you couldn't even point it out because they would be gone. But then we saw one really long one with like a fire tail.
Yeah,
on
it was cool, and it was really bright.
Yeah, it made the whole thing worth it. It was so cool to see that.
I'm so glad we stayed up.
Yeah, they said it could be a bust, it could not, but at least we got to see something.
Yeah, it was worth it for sure. But we're gonna have some dessert, some red, white, and blue bomb pops
Erin
to finish off our night.
Erin thought this was a holiday.
Well, I actually saw two that Cracker Barrel has them right now, mimosas, and they put this in their mimosa, so that's really what gave me the idea. I tried one in a beer, it didn't really taste great, but anyway. So yeah, we got really lucky that we were able to see as much as we did. And we're gonna enjoy our dessert. Thanks for hanging out with us tonight, whatever time of day it is for you. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. If you're new to our channel, please subscribe, and we'll see you in the next episode. Bye guys. Cheers. Cheers. Woo!
Pretty good. I haven't had one of these since I was a kid. Go back.
What are you doing up there, Code?
Cody, how'd you get Mama's bed?
Cody's in my bed.
In the cave.
Yeah, he's gonna sleep with me tonight. Right, Code? Yeah? Say bye, everybody.
Good night.